Beneath the sunlit waters where most ocean life thrives, there's a vast, hidden expanse so remote and dark that it feels almost otherworldly. Known as the Midnight Zone, this part of the ocean stretches from 3,300 feet or 1 kilometer to an astonishing 13,100 feet or 4 kilometers below the surface. Here, sunlight cannot penetrate. The only light there is created by the organisms themselves in an awe-inspiring display of bioluminescence. At this depth, the conditions are quite extreme. The pressure is crushing, rising over 5,850 pounds per square inch. That's 400 times atmospheric pressure at sea level. And the temperatures, they hover near freezing, around 34 to 39 degrees Fahrenheit or 1 to 4 degrees Celsius. And despite these harsh conditions, life persists. And it's adapted to thrive in ways that seem straight out of science fiction. Bioluminescence, the production of light by living organisms, is a hallmark of the Midnight Zone. Creatures like the angelfish with its eerie glowing lure and the hatchetfish with its reflective scales that use light to hunt, communicate, and evade predators. The vampire squid, a denizen of these depths, it emits a burst of bioluminescent fireworks to confuse attackers, a strategy born of necessity in a world where survival hinges on deception and adaptation. Creatures in the Midnight Zone are often small, slow-moving, and equipped with large eyes or specialized sensory organs to detect faint traces of light or movement. Their bodies are soft and gelatinous, and that helps them with withstanding immense pressures. The barrel-eye fish, with its transparent head and tubular eyes, exemplifies these adaptations. Its upward-facing eyes allow it to spot the silhouettes of prey against the faint glimmer of bioluminescence above. Food down here is quite scarce in the zone, with most nutrients arriving as marine snow, a slow drift of organic particles from the surface. Some predators, like the gulper eel, they have evolved massive mouths to swallow prey whole, ensuring that they never miss a meal in such a barren environment. The Midnight Zone is not just a realm of unique creatures. It's also a frontier of biological discovery. Hydrothermal vents, spewing superheated, mineral-rich water, host entirely unique ecosystems. Here, chemosynthetic bacteria form the base of a food web that supports giant tube worms, clams, and shrimp, proving that life can exist without sunlight, relying instead on chemical energy. Scientists estimate that up to 95% of the ocean remains unexplored, and much of this undiscovered territory lies in the Midnight Zone. Each expedition brings new surprises, from unknown species to revelations about how life could adapt to extremes. These discoveries not only deepen our understanding of life on Earth, but may also offer important clues about the potential for life on other planets, like Jupiter's moon, Europa, where similar conditions might exist beneath the icy crust. The Midnight Zone is more than just a curiosity. It's a reminder of the vastness and resilience of life. Its ecosystems play a critical role in regulating the ocean's health, cycling nutrients and storing carbon. Protecting this fragile, mysterious world is essential. The Midnight Zone challenges us to embrace the unknown, to marvel at the ingenuity of life, and to recognize that even in the most extreme and alien environments, life will always find a way to thrive. These are Interesting Things with JC.